Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Sometimes we make mistakes while entering our social security number, or maybe we need to update it for some reason. If you're using Cash App and want to change your SSN but don't know how, don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your SSN on Cash App in a simple and easy way. Let's get started and fix it together. This article shows two methods to change your social security number on Cash App, explained step by step with the help of screenshots so it's easy to understand. Using either of these two methods, you can delete the old SSN from your Cash App and add a new one. The first method is by deleting your current Cash App account and creating a new one. In this method, the article first explains how to delete your existing Cash App account step by step. You need to first click on the profile icon button. Then click on Support. After that, click on Something Else. And there you'll see the option Edit Account Settings. Click on it. Next, choose the third option which says Close your Cash App account and click on it. Once you click, you'll be asked to confirm. As soon as you confirm, your Cash App account will be deleted. After that, you need to create a new Cash App account. To do that, install the Cash App again. Then log in using your phone number or email ID. Now, enter the code sent to your phone or email. After that, click on Next. Then enter your zip code. Create your unique cash tag, which must be different from your old cash tag. Then you need to link your bank account or debit card. After that, you will see the option to add your social security number. Here, enter the new SSN that you want to use with your Cash App. Then click on Next. And just like that, your social security number will be updated in your Cash App. The second method is by contacting Cash App support. In this method, you directly contact the Cash App support team. This article explains the full step-by-step process of how to contact Cash App support. The article link is in the description and you can follow it to read the steps in detail. When you speak to customer support, explain the issue clearly, whether your SSN is blocked or you have a new one or any other problem. Let them know that you want to change your social security number. They will help you as much as possible and change your SSN for you. So, these are the two methods through which you can easily change your social security number on Cash App